In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lip sync with Heygen AI. This cutting-edge tool offers an accessible way to create engaging and realistic lip sync videos using AI-driven avatars. Whether you're creating content for educational purposes, entertainment, or just for fun, Heygen AI can be your creative companion. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser. Navigate over to heygen.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick process that will enable you to access all the incredible features Heygen AI has to offer. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the Avatar button. Go ahead and click it to open a drop-down menu. From there, select My Avatars. This section houses all the avatars at your fingertips, ready to bring your scripts to life. If you haven't yet created or customized an avatar, you can take this opportunity to explore the options and ensure you have the perfect match for your project. Now that you're in the My Avatars section, scroll through and select the avatar you wish to use for your lip sync video. Think about the personality and style of your content when choosing your avatar, as this will add a layer of authenticity and charm to your creation. Once selected, you'll be redirected to a new page where the magic really begins. Here is where you'll type or paste the script you'd like your avatar to lip sync. Take your time to ensure everything is just right, as this script will dictate the flow and context of your video. With the script in place, it's time to add another layer of personality by choosing a voice. Click on Choose Voice and explore the various options available. Each voice has its own unique tone and style, so take a moment to listen to a few samples if needed. A well-matched voice can really elevate the emotional resonance of your video. Once you've made your selection, you're almost ready to bring your creation to life. The final step involves clicking on Generate Video. By doing this, you initiate the processing of the video. The magic of Heygen's AI technology will handle the complex task of synchronizing the selected voice with your avatar's lip movements, all based on the script you provided. Sit back and relax for a few moments while the system does its work. Processing time may vary, but rest assured the end result will be worth the wait. And that's it. You've now created a dynamic lip sync video using Heygen AI. Don't forget to review your video once it's ready to make sure everything aligns perfectly. With these tools at your disposal, the sky's the limit for your creative content endeavors. Enjoy your new video and the ease with which Heygen AI brings your ideas to life.